Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Presenting you the beauty of Karnataka. Any resemblance to any person, living or dead, is purely intentional. Our Mad Ad is only for entertainment. From the makers of Harry Potter to Kali Potter and James Bond to Annaward. Here comes our Tarle boys. Here comes our planet Mars. Let us see the scene where Pakistan and India going to launch satellite to Mars. Pakistan got 450 crores to build a satellite. वो ला दीजिए वो पॉलीकार्बोनेट 4 सिलेंडर और ऑक्सीजन और 4 पिस्टन एंड फ्यूल इंजेक्टर to inject the fuel. Let us see the scene where India also got 450 crores. Then comes our finance minister. Sir, 50 crores, sir. Swiss Bank, please, sir. Okay. Sorry. India left with only 400 crores. Okay, littakadappa. Pencil, cardboard, sketch pen, idu chemical. Ayyo, 400 crores over. No money to buy Chinda. Oh, then our scientist went to Shivaji Nagar market. They got second-hand Bajaj BTSI engine. Okay, now all set to launch our Pakistan rocket. 1, 2, 3. Hey, क्या चीज़ है? उल्टा बोल दीजिए. ये 3, 2, 1. जे यहाँ क्यों नहीं जी? पीछा था. क्या जी पेट्रोल खाली? अयो. Okay, are now set to launch our Indian rocket. 3, 2. Hey, stop. Now start. 3, 2, 1. Hudi Baba. This is how we reach Mars. How it is possible? We will test. Hey, Pandiji, we are from CMMI. Sick, level 3. Now, let us test our Pakistan rocket. Not ours. Pakistan rocket. Hey, Maga, this product is made in China. Controlled in Sang. इसलिए no warranty. Let us test in India. Oh, wow. Ye rocket. Bro.
This product is made in India. Sick. Controlled from Namma Bengaluru.
I'm in posh. Manager told I'm in posh. Posh. Here comes our 5-star friends. Ramesh, hey, Suresh. Hey, from where did you come, Macha? I'm just back from Marsa. Oh, Marsa? Hey, Ramesh, I came from very long distance now. I'm very hungry. Come, let's have some food. Ladies and gentlemen, Cyber Trolley presenting you the food festival. Ramesh and Suresh going to food festival. Sir, what is the menu here, sir? Sir, here you get the biryani and different types of biryani. Okay. Sir, what is the menu here, sir? Sir, here you get pongal, idli, vada, and 10 different types of chutney. Free. Okay. Sir, what is the menu here, sir? Sir, here you get idli, vada, masala dosa, pongal, puri, chapati, pudina, karwa, kiswa, finally, lemon rice and ragi balls. Oh, sir, which is this place, sir? Where you get everything? Sick. All food at one place. That's Namma Bengaluru. Oh, nange posh ante. After having heavy lunch from Namma Bengaluru, let us see what our friends are doing. Downloading 2 MB, 4 MB, unlimited speed. ಮಗ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಳು, ಮಾರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತೋ. ಹೋಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಮಗ ಸನ್ನಿ ಲಿಯೋನಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡ. ಸನ್ನಿ ಲಿಯೋನಿ ನಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಅಂತೋ. ಹೋಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಮಗ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅವನಂತೋ. ಹೋಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸು? ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಮಗ, ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ KR-Puram, Madhepura, defectly, no water. No water. ಮಗ ಲಡ್ಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ. For all the latest news, always read Kannada newspaper. Stop global, be local. तू अब मैं पाश में भी हूँ. पाश. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the world famous actor of Indian industry. Boom da, robota, boom da, robota. See, shake it.
our superstar Rajini.
Sir, which programming language do you use, sir?
J to the A to the V to the A. Java.
You, sir, you are so famous. Can I have your Facebook ID, sir?
FB, GGB, I am in GB.
What is that, sir?
It is Guinness World.
Sir, which antivirus do you use, sir?
Kana, I don't use any antivirus. Antivirus uses Rajini.
Yo, sir. Which processor do you use, sir?
Kana, I use Intel because Rajini inside.
Yo, sir. How come, sir, so much of talent too? Only for you. Yenge, sir?
Kana, this is because I am Rajini. Kannadiga inside.
Posh, yeah. Girls are telling I'm in posh. I'm shortlisted in posh, I guess.
Here comes our Ebola virus. Ebola.
Grow, go to Karnataka. Everything will be cured. Our own Swamiji.
Hello, not Nityananda, okay?
Our own Swamiji.
Hari Om, at Mysore.
Ebola entering to Ashtama. Swamiji. Hello. Swamiji. Body full of virus. Not at all going to.
Drink this, you will be fine.
After one day, tissue. Ebola gone. Ding. Swamiji, everything is gone. What did you give me to drink, Swamiji?
Baka, this is Namma Kaveri.
Distillery yake, Kaveri woke. One fine day at night, our own sweetie working in IT at night. When only cab drivers and auto walas are awake, sweetie logs out and gets into that cab. And driver is driving the cab. Suddenly the cab stops. Sweetie, full panic, started shouting for help. Help! Are you not working? Bachao! Are you not working? Finally, our sweetie full safety. Moral of the story: at night, only autowalas and drivers are awake.
In simple, Kanchali bide, Kannada matade.
I'm in posh, very posh, full posh. Hey, posh down there. If you're in posh, why are you here? Get lost. Posh is zip. Promotion over, salary hike.
Thank you, dear friends. Hope you all like this.
not. Pakistan rocket as Viru, and Indian rocket as Chetal, CNMI Ganesh, and no water as Arjun, Rajinikanth as Sushant, Sweetie as Lokesh, our own finance minister as Nagaraj, Yabola as Santosh, our distillery by Ravi, Ashtamais, our own Swami as Sunil, Kaveri Swami Sunil, and Soundbox as Pradeep. Well guys, we Kannadigas respect all religion, caste and irrespective of culture. Jai Karnataka.